There's not a day goes by when I don't think about something new. Specially selected mini naan flatbread. It says tandoor bake and stretch. What if I made pizza out of it? Something similar to pizza anyway. And then this is the leftover stuffing for the stuffed mushrooms that I just showed you. So I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use it in combination with this fresh salsa from Members Mark, that means Sam's Club. And I think it's just going to be simply delicious. Come and watch how I put together this meal.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Well, step one is to decide, it fits a plate fairly well. There's two sides to this naan bread. I've decided I'm going to keep the more character-filled naan bread on this side, sort of like, you know. And I'm going to use this white area for the pizza. But I don't want to cook it on a plate. I've turned on the oven at 350 degrees, so it's warming up right now. I've got to go to parchment paper school one of these days. Take your bread, your naan bread, your flat bread, put it on, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open up your salsa jar. Simply delicious. Okay. You're going to use a large spoon with holes in it. Can you see the holes? Okay. The reason why is you want this, you could use, if you had, I don't have right now, tomato sauce, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it on top like this. You don't want that liquid. You just want to layer on the top like that. TJ, wait for me. He needs a walk. I just fed him, and I should have known better before I started this video. Okay, you put it over here. And this is going to give you another layer of flavor. The stuffing tastes wonderful, but I wanted to be able to see if I almost could emulate a pizza, even though I'm not using tomato sauce. I'm using salsa. Okay. And once that's done, put this back in the fridge. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your sauce. So you're going to use the same spoon. I'll be sure to clean it up. And then you're going to apply this, and you're going to try to flatten it out just like you're doing the mushrooms. You're going to lay it on top, and this has got vegan cheese in it. So it's going to melt just like a pizza. And you could have probably gone away with not even putting the tomato sauce on top. Okay. See, and then while the oven warms up, I'm going to be able to walk TJ. And this will be all ready. This is going to be my dinner tonight. Magical pizza with stuffed artichokes. Well, I don't think this part's got any artichokes. I've got to figure out what's in here. But there's got spinach and a lot of vegan sauce. Just a matter of getting a nice layer. Probably won't have to be in there more than half an hour. If you have a microwave oven, you could probably get away with this. It just wouldn't have, the bread won't be as crispy. You probably could do this in a toaster oven if you have one of these. Toaster oven would work the best because it would be almost emulates an oven. Okay, well, he's getting insistent. Alright, so I'll be back. So now what we're doing is we're taking our pizzas, our creations. We always have to consider safety when you're cooking. Okay, so now the pizzas are in. And we're going to set the timer next. Alright, so we set the timer for 30 minutes, but I'll be checking it way before that. Alright, Alan, I'm wearing your hat. Anyway, this should be a really good meal. Now what we have to do is put away all the stuff that we haven't used. So we're going to put this away. And then we're going to put away our naan bread. I got this in Aldi's. And the really cool thing that Aldi's does is this double guarantee. Let's see if I can show you. So you come up to this, you buy this product, you taste it, it tastes like cardboard to you. Let's say it does. You go back to your Aldi store and say, this product just tasted awful. Not only do they give you your full money back for the product, but they give you something else for free. So then you have another chance to be able to try something else. That is Aldi's double guarantee. Really good deal. Well, I am going to drink some Perrier. By the way, presently I'm not getting paid for any of this product reviews. I'm doing it simply because I enjoy doing it. One day I will get paid for it and you'll know about it in advance when I do the video. Okay, so we're going to wait for the oven to finish its time and we'll see you in a few minutes. Well, the ringer just rang. We're going to go turn it off. Probably helps to wear a mitt. I know this is going to be hot. Look at this. Look at this. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, don't forget to turn off your oven. So look, it looks really, really good. It's a little soft on the top, but the naan bread is well, let's see if we can flip it over a little bit. It's really hot. See how it's cooked on the bottom, just like a pizza would be? So it could be that because I put the sauce on top, this didn't get as hard as I would have liked. But you know what? I think it's going to be just fine. Okay. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut it up so I can eat it for tonight's dinner. Now the cool thing about using parchment paper, you see, is the pan isn't dirty. I'll still refresh it in the sink, but there's no scrubbing and the pan looks good on the next video. Now watch this. By just simply slowly moving the naan bread pizza, you can take it off like this. Now to cut it, one of the knives that Linda cleaned for me in a dinner. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is take our piece and we're going to cut one of them open. Looks like the naan bread's pretty hard. You'd expect that at pizza anyway, but it's way too hot to eat. So I'm going to have to let it cool it down to eat it. But I can already tell you by just a touch of my fork that it's going to be simply delicious. Did it work as a pizza? Most of the pizza doughs are a little soft, but you know what? I think it's going to be just fine for my dinner. Thank you so much for watching. I think this is another hit. Okay, see you later.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.